AlertNow is an integrated incident management platform that intelligently reduces overloaded alerts. AlertNow defines a triple-filtered, deduplicated alert as an incident. Reduce unnecessary alerts 80% to ease the burden of service operations. This is the incident list page. There are 3 steps in the incident: open, acknowledged, closed. Open is the state in which the incident first occurred. Acknowledged is recognized by one of the representatives. Closed means the end of the process. AlertNow can view history management and alert dispatch history on the detail page. When you change the status, the representative is automatically assigned. This is the third-party monitoring tool that works with AlertNow. In addition to specific monitoring tools, standard integration allows you to work with a variety of tools, including email and instant messaging. AlertNow can designate the representative by steps. If the first representative does not acknowledge the alert, the step is automatically raised. You can assign users, schedules, all team members, randomly selected team members at each step. You can repeat the steps with the optional feature or escalate after a certain amount of time. This function sets which representative will receive an alert during a specific time period. You can also set the rotation cycle. In addition to text messages, voice calls, and emails, you can receive alerts with your regular instant messaging. Here, you're allowed to check the alert generation trends, MTTA and MTTR. You can analyze the day and incident occurrence trends over time using integration service, incident history by emergency level, and heat maps. You can also view incident creation and verification history by date. See at a glance how text messages, voice calls, phones, and mobile push are being sent.